Right now we will test the thickness of the rotor using the micrometer. This will give us information about how worn out the rotor is. You have to measure it in a few spots and get the lowest number. The smallest number that we got is 1.098. 1.098 inch to millimeters is 27.889 millimeters. The nominal thickness of the rotor is 28 millimeters, and the discard thickness or throwaway thickness is 25 millimeters, which again shows that our rotor is almost brand new. This is how the rotor looks like. Like we said, guys, the minimal thickness is 25 millimeters. Only 0.1 millimeters so far was worn out on this rotor, and we will definitely reuse it.